Okay, we're just about ready here. So our objective, we're gonna cut these welds here, this big guy here. We gotta do it on the bottom side where this plate goes down under there. Got right here, and then the same thing down on the bottom part of the frame rail, and then that metal plate that'll come off. And then if need be, I don't know if it continues under this or not, but you know, finish cutting there just to free this up, and that'll take care of this frame rail here. That'll be ready to come out that way. But then you know, we'll have to bounce to the other side and start doing the same thing. Okay, now we go for the next part. This one will not be quite as fun because it's overhead. Okay, update on this side so far. We got that reinforcement piece, this piece here, we got that gone. So once I did these top and bottom, it's also tied in like right here somewhere. There's a little bit of a weld, probably about 3 inches or so. So you have to cut it kind of just straight up. And then pretty much here, I just cut off the ends of the tube that were sticking out so it was flush. And then I pretty much know that the tube's about 1/8 inch, not even 1/8 inch thick. So you kind of just judge it, and kind of just plunged a little bit all the way around. And then I was able to get the chisel in and just kind of work it, and then it just kind of popped out. And once it popped out, and I flipped it down, and then there's that little bit of that weld, and then I just plunged straight down on it, and then that was it. So now this is actually the easy part. This is all that's left holding this frame rail on. You just gotta go straight down and wrap around that corner, just cut it, and this side will be ready to come off. So let's do that now. Okay, so like I said, this was probably the easy part, and pretty much for here, just on this side here, because this frame, this is going away, this is bad. I just pretty much cut right through it, and then I'll finish separating the two pieces, which won't take much because the weld's all right here and it's already breaking apart. This frame's just barely holding itself in there. It is about 1 inch overlap of the rear part of the frame and the midsection here. So that's what's holding it in place right now on this side. So I'm gonna leave it like that till I get this side done. And then we'll get the jack is under there, but it's not holding it yet, so that way it doesn't go flying off or do something crazy. But yeah, making progress. Waiting for it. Yep, it's half a truck. Well, sort of. So just got done cleaning up some of the big stuff, but it's off. So only thing left on this, just that little sliver frame. Just gotta chisel it off, both sides, and then I could get this piece over here. And I have a couple welds I gotta cut to separate it, so that way it'll slide into place. And I gotta get that tube to fit in here, so that'll be interesting. But yeah.